I'm Will Harris, and White Oak Pastures is the name of my farm. It's in deep South Georgia, Bluffton, Georgia, and my family's raised cattle here since 1866. The Serengeti rotational grazing model for us is a fantastic land management system. I wouldn't want to have big old chicken houses and raise chickens inside, because I don't like to do anything inside. Being able to do it out here in the pasture is a lot of fun. The reason I derive joy from it is they really complement what we do with our cattle and sheep. You know, they are an integral part of the Serengeti Plains rotational grazing system, and the land just does a lot better when you've got birds in the mix. Large ruminants, cattle, small ruminants, sheep, and birds. They all graze the land in different ways. In an industrial system, it's almost always a monoculture. In a chicken farm, you got chickens. Cattle farm, and I used to be that way. We just had cattle, nothing but cattle. Sheep, same way. But nature abhors a monoculture. Nature doesn't want one plant species or animal species purely to grow. Nature wants a smorgasbord, a cornucopia, a lot of different things. It's only about the third time I've ever heard one crow out here. We start 500 chicks in each house every week. We've done that for the last 13 weeks. So that means every week we go to the hatchery, pick up 2,500 one-day-old chicks, bring them back here, divide them into 5 groups in 5 houses. And the reason for that is it takes 12 weeks to raise these chickens out here on pasture. They're more like a Red Ranger than anything else. A Red Ranger is a very common heritage cross, and that's what we started with. The Red Rangers are good chickens, but we wanted a little bit more, so we worked with our hatchery to develop this line, which is a proprietary line that he's agreed to not place chicks with anybody else. I mean, we think our chickens are a little better than other people's chickens. These 4 Great Pyrenees dogs guard the chickens. They guard the 65 houses we've got, and we have not lost a single bird to a sharp-toothed predator since we started. You can look in a vacant lot. It doesn't come up in just one weed species, just a bunch of stuff out there. If you look in the woods, there's not just woods with squirrels in them. The woods got squirrels, they've got bobcats, rabbits, coyotes, bird, owls. Nature wants everything mixed up, and there's reasons for that. Everything evolved in a polyculture, many different species together. What we're doing is an evolution, but it's not forwards, it's backwards. We're going back to producing food the way nature produces food. We cooperate with nature instead of fight with nature. I fought with nature all my life, and I wasn't gonna win.